at the new open-wheel Formula cars, particularly Formula One like this, I mean, I'm mostly astonished by two things. Carbon fiber everywhere. I mean, for parts I never years ago would have dreamed you would make out of carbon fiber. And secondly, aerodynamics. You know, time was that to have a little underbody aerodynamics and some wings and downforce stuff was a big deal. But the way the aerodynamics and even thermodynamics are just nuanced down to like little things that massage flow and move flow into areas for cooling and to try to reduce. I mean, open wheel cars are so hard to make slippery, and so I can only imagine the kind of downforce this Ferrari that we're looking at has. Every little detail, you see little things where they've done work with computational fluid dynamics and massage things. I mean, look at the side planes in that rear wing. I mean, they're not just side planes. The overall shape change, you see a little, up at the top rear side, there's a little hard edge circulating there. The veins that are moving along that side are subtly varying in angle. It's just everywhere I look. There's work on just maximizing little nuances in flow everywhere. It's just so technical. It's optimizing the shape, load path, the cross section, the internals of the structure. I mean, it really is increasingly like biomimicry. This drag, but also maximize downforce to contribute already there. Already having mechanical, whatever the suspension geometry, the tires, all that stuff. So I'm told that these cars at fairly modest speed, like 125 miles an hour or thereabouts, generate more than their own engine. So they can go upside down. The energy bill for downforce, fuel consumption. It's like you really, I'm told that these cars, at high speed, if you just lift the drag on all the aerodynamic surfaces is so high that I go back to an era like Niki Lauda driving a Ferrari, the wings were polished, the body was red. This here, the body's red, but all the safety stuff, like the whole structure over the driver, or the wings, black carbon fiber.
So your eye can pick up body shapes.
I think that's Paraton. Everything is a aerodynamic tool, like I was just saying. Look at that front suspension. It comes almost like an airfoil. I mean, even the push rod to the springs, is an airfoil shape. Look at the device holding the mirrors. It's little wing shapes.